अस्सलामुअलैकुम, हाय एवरीवन। आज मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ डेली यूज़ स्मॉल सेंटेंसेस। एनीथिंग एल्स? आर यू इल? आर यू सिक? बी केयरफुल। बी हैप्पी अबाउट दैट। बिहेव योरसेल्फ। बिलीव मी। ब्लो योर नोज। कैन आई कीप योर टॉयज? Chew food properly. Clean it. Comb your hair. Come and sit on my lap. Lap का मतलब होता है गोद. Cover your mouth while coughing. Do you want food? Don't be lazy. Don't bother me. Don't drag your feet. Don't drink cold water. Don't eat ice cream. Don't fight. Don't lie to me. Don't make excuses. Don't move. Don't nag me. Don't play in the sun. Drink water while sitting. Finish your food quickly. Get ready for school in 15 minutes. Give me 5 minutes. Go and play. Hold it. Hold my fingers. Hold my hand. Hold the book correctly. Hold this. How did it break? How did it hurt? I have a cold. I have a fever. Keep your books in the bag. Keep your head straight. Look at me. Look here. Mend yourself. Never tell a lie. Nothing else. Put your toys back. Remind me tomorrow. Right now. Stop biting your nails. Stop chewing your nails. Stop talking. Take bath. Take it. Tell me everything. Then we will play. Tie your shoelaces. Try again. Wake up. What are you doing? What are you looking for? What did you eat? What happened? What have you done? What is that? What is this? Where are you coming from? Where are you going? Why are you silent? Why don't you answer? You know it. Come outside. बस यही थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आपको मेरी आज की वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल नोटिफिकेशन को ऑल पे लगा दीजिएगा और साथ ही साथ मेरी वीडियो को लाइक शेयर करना ना भूलिए। मिलती हूँ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।